Hey ladies and gentlemen, we just arrived to the job site. Come on, let's check this out.
What's going on? Good seeing you again. What's going on?
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is where the bowl is going to be located. We gotta start excavating as soon as Sean gets here, so we could get these aqua blocks in and get the rock in and the piping and get done with it. Stay tuned.
Did you know you can turn a day pond into a night pond by adding aquatic lighting?
He's zooming in on my face again. I hate you. And if you start overheating because you're like the black mamba today in muck boots and pants and long sleeve shirt. No, not in the pond. No. Thanks.
I am going to catch the tiger.
That's where the water's gonna come out of.
Sean is just always on the phone.
Yeah, it's lovely.
I got a cramp.
You guys smell that? It's a waterfall. See, even the wildlife bummed out. No one likes when the waterfall gets turned off.
How long do you think this is going to take? It's currently 10:04.
With Sean's experience, if it's 10:04, we'd be done by 4.
4? All right.
Good morning, everybody. Something awesome is going on here. You guys probably remember this backyard from a couple of years ago. We built an incredible pond out back that ties together seamlessly formal and natural. It's amazing, and it's just got better with time. But today we're here for a completely different reason. We're building a brand new water feature out front. As you can see, this homeowner loves gardening, loves the outside. Even the little planting bed between the street and the sidewalk is completely landscaped with all sorts of different native flowers. It's awesome. And today we're gonna be building a water feature out front. We're gonna build a custom cut pouring spillway bowl. So not only is it gonna be gorgeous and they're gonna be able to sit on the front porch in their rocking chairs, enjoy the sights and sound of water in the front yard, but the neighborhood dogs can get a little drink when they come by too. This is the rough draft, right? Before we start putting a shovel in the ground, I'm gonna talk to you guys about the plan. So we've got a 32-inch spillway bowl. We're gonna custom cut this. We're gonna have a waterfall that drops this way into a pooling area that's gonna have a natural waterfall continue down into a basin. Maybe there'll be some cool little goldfish in there, but there's definitely gonna be some thirsty puppies walking by getting a drink. This area over here is gonna be another planting bed. This is a good little visual aid for what's to come, but it's gonna look completely different when we're all done. So stay tuned.
Guys, we made it to the job site. We're in the city, so we're parked on a busy street. And 60 is going to stop traffic so I can move the excavator.
Let's go. Go directly off the end.
Move some of these so we don't break them.
You know?
This was built a few years ago, so there's no YouTube video on this one. I filmed a short that was recently released with the homeowner, and he talked all about this. Partially formal here, then it goes into an ecosystem, all natural pond. The one that we're building in the front is all natural ecosystem, works with Mother Nature. It's gonna be really cool, very small version of this. If you come over here, there's a really cool garden space that is much more grown than the last time I was here. It's very, very nice. Look at these. So yeah, he really knows what he's doing with his planting choices and flowers, and I'm really excited to see what he does once we finish up.
So guys, we're sweating bullets out here. We got our hole mostly dug. What we're doing, in case you're curious, we're digging down the pooling section 10 inches to the general shape that we want. Then we're gonna go back in and dry fit our aqua blocks for the reservoir. We're gonna dig those deeper so the top of them is flush with the bottom of the hole right now. That way there'll be 6 inches or so of standing water on top of the reservoir, and the rest will be stored underground in the blocks out of the sunlight, mysteriously.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, Sean has excavated the hole for the pondless waterfall. Dry fit in the aqua blocks. Most important thing, you know. You don't want to just dig a hole without dry fitting anything and run into future problems.
Wow. Wow.
Stay tuned.
Here we are, digging away. Getting the hole prepared for the aqua blocks. As soon as this is all shaped up and ready, we'll put our protective fabric down, get ready for liner. All right, guys, so you can see we're a couple steps ahead. I'm gonna talk about it real quick while Sean Ski gets some big gravel. He's being very impatient right now. It's all part of the process. That's gonna be one of your steps, impatience. I'm standing, crouching on top of our aqua blocks. Each one of these large blocks holds 32 gallons of water. We dug our hole, dry fit everything to make sure it was gonna work out perfectly. We put down a base layer of fabric right here. Then we have our 45 mil fish safe rubber liner. This is what holds the water inside of our water feature. Then we've got another layer of rock pad on top of that to protect our liner. So it's sandwiched between two cushions. Now we're going in and strategically placing the rocks how we like. This is where the artwork comes in, trying to get them to look natural and give the overall look and feel that the homeowner is looking for. As we start rocking our way up, we're backfilling with different size gravels to lock everything together, and we're trying to layer the rocks. It never looks good when you have a rock sitting on top of a rock. You want to try to set the rocks behind each other so you don't see all of your joints. Dominic is hooking up the pump and the plumbing inside of our vault. So we've got a 2,000 gallon per hour pump that's going to sit down in here that's going to feed the waterfall and the spillway bowl. We've got our spillway bowl in place, rough draft. This will change a little bit. We still have to custom cut it and plumb it, get it all level and everything. But it's going to be in this general area with a waterfall pouring this way into a pooling area behind me. And then right here will be a waterfall. You see that? That's the noise it's going to make too. Do you like it?
I like it.
I'm like so brain farted right now, guys. Sean and Dom have finished this wonderful water feature.
All right, guys, it's the end of a very long day. This is a super cool custom fountainscape with a custom cut spillway ball that is also a biological filter. And then we have this awesome pooling section up front with a natural waterfall that cascades down into it. This pooling area is 6 to 8 inches deep, depending on how much you fill it. And it's gonna be clean, cool, healthy water that's filtered and is safe for the neighborhood dogs to drink out of. And besides that, it's going to bring this family lots of joy when they hang out on the front porch. And it's the talk of the town already. Everybody walking by is in love with it. I can't wait to see what the homeowner does when he landscapes all around it. It makes it awesome. So make sure you stay tuned because we'll have plenty of reels of this coming up. It is super dark out right now. We don't normally work this late, guys, but this mission had to get accomplished. We had to get this done for the homeowner. He goes back to school next week. He's a teacher. So we wanted him to have plenty of time to landscape around this and enjoy it before his summer break was over, him and his wife. So guys, let us know what you think in the comments down below. Like, share, subscribe, do all that stuff, just like Sixto always tells you. We love and appreciate you, and we'll see you later. But I gotta go home. It's dark.